Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Demetrius and I made a mistake. I know what you're saying. Demetrius, you made a mistake?
How? What happened?
We all do. So did you by clicking on this video. Psych, you didn't make a mistake.
You made the right choice.
My mistake was buying the MacBook Air 2020. And by no way do I mean that the MacBook Air 2020 is a bad computer. It is a great computer. You see how light it is? Again, look how quick. Come on now. It's light. That is the main reason why you want the MacBook Air, because it feels like air. That's why they named it that. But I needed something with a little bit more power. I got something, and it's coming in the mail. It starts with the P and ends with the Who's there? For me? Oh my god, guys. I got a package. Let's see what's in the box. Oh my god. I got the MacBook Pro 2020. Oh my god, this is a deja vu all over again, but this I'm even more excited. I cannot wait to open this, and for your pleasure, I will be opening this with you. Scoot on over, Avatar the MacBook Air Bender. Welcome.
The MacBook Pro 2020.
Oh.
Let's begin. Wow, it's like Christmas.
Excellent plastic. This is the MacBook Pro 2020. Let's get in here. Ooh, okay, a little heavier brick that just dropped down. Wow. Ooh. Right. I could do that all day. I could do that all day. Ooh, okay. It is definitely heavier than the Air, but not that much of a difference. I could still go like this. See? We can yeet. Yeet.
Yeet.
We can still do that. Let's see what else is in the box. As usual, you have your directions, your ingredients to this MacBook Pro recipe. We also have a block. Ooh. Alright. This is the battery that will be with the cable, battery, box. That's it, guys. Well, looks like we unboxed a whole nother video. Oh my goodness. That's it. I'm just kidding, silly. You thought I wasn't even going to take you inside? Y'all don't know me at all. Let's find out what's inside. Ready? Hey! Ooh! Oh my goodness! Wow! Let's get it. Let's get it. English girl. Ooh, look at the trackpad. Ooh, I mean not the trackpad. The stuff at the top, the magic stuff. At the top. All right. United States, mate. this. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, I like this. I like this. I'm currently transferring over all the information from the MacBook Air over to the MacBook Pro. You can do that with the Apple computers. This is amazing. Thank you so much for checking. What the Thank you guys so much for coming to this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the future content on the new MacBook Pro 2020. If you do get the MacBook Air, props to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. God. Hey, Mom. Can you put that off speaker?
What?
Cause I'm trying to record. Thank you. So thank you so much for coming to my channel. We'll see you guys again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And toodles. I know that's right. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter, both at OutofDWoods. And make sure you stand. Duh.